SalesLair versus SalesLoft, which is better for sales outreach. Let's dive straight into it. Both of these tools have their strengths, but which one truly stands out when it comes to sales outreach? First off, SalesLair is all about simplicity. It's designed for smaller sales teams or businesses that want an easy-to-use CRM without the extra fluff. It automatically gathers customer data from emails, calendars, and social profiles, giving you a clean, well-organized database with minimal input. If you're someone who doesn't want to spend too much time entering data manually, this is a huge plus. Next, let's talk about SalesLoft. This one is more comprehensive, focusing on every aspect of the sales process. SalesLoft offers powerful email outreach capabilities, cadence automation, and integrations with a ton of other tools, making it ideal for larger sales teams or those looking for a more in-depth solution. It's more tailored for managing complex outreach strategies and has strong analytics, so if you're running a sales team that needs detailed reporting and tracking, SalesLoft has an edge. The third thing to consider is pricing. SalesLair tends to be more affordable, which makes it a good fit for startups or smaller businesses with tighter budgets. SalesLoft, on the other hand, comes at a higher price point, but for that extra investment, you're getting a more robust feature set and greater customization options. If cost is a concern, SalesLair will get you a lot of value without breaking the bank. Now, let's discuss customer support. Both platforms have solid support teams, but SalesLoft stands out a bit more with its extensive resources, training, and personalized onboarding. If you're a beginner or transitioning from another tool, SalesLoft's onboarding experience might make things smoother. SalesLair, while it does provide help, leans more on its simplicity and doesn't have the same level of handholding. Next up is integrations. SalesLoft has more integrations with major tools and CRMs, which is crucial if you're looking for a seamless experience across different platforms. SalesFlare's integrations are decent, but not as extensive. So, if you rely heavily on syncing with a lot of other software, SalesLoft's robust integration options will be a major benefit. One other thing to note is how these tools handle automation. SalesLoft offers more advanced automation features, especially for multi-step email cadences and complex sales workflows. SalesLair is much simpler in that regard. If you're looking for a tool that automates repetitive tasks and keeps your sales reps focused on high-value activities, SalesLoft is the better choice. Finally, let's talk about the ease of use. SalesFlare shines here. It's intuitive and requires minimal setup, great for salespeople who need to hit the ground running. SalesLoft, though powerful, has a steeper learning curve, especially if you're new to sales automation tools. There's a bit of a time investment required to fully understand and utilize all its features. To wrap things up, both SalesLair and SalesLoft are solid choices for sales outreach, but they cater to different needs. SalesLair is a great option for smaller teams or those just getting started with CRM tools. It's simple, effective, and affordable. SalesLoft is for those who need a more robust, feature-packed solution with complex automation and detailed analytics, especially suited for larger teams or organizations with more advanced needs. That said, after trying both of them myself, I can tell you that while they're good, there's a better alternative for your sales outreach needs. If you want a streamlined experience, superior customer support, and a system that's easy to integrate into your sales process, I recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial. You'll get the best trial offer and exclusive benefits, only available to our viewers. Give it a try and see how it compares.